See, those aren't done either, do they? It's not done.
Yeah. I think either we turn it up or we put it, or we just leave it for another 20 minutes.
Well, we can do a little bit of both. I'll turn it up a little bit more. Let's watch and see if the temperature on it rises. I don't know if it's because we got breeze here too.
Yeah.
But as long as no one's really like starving or...
Anybody starving? Okay.
We're supposed to be having fun.
We are having fun. We're experimenting in the kitchen.
We're having fun. Let's remind ourselves. This is fun.
This is fun. We may be screaming and pulling our hair out, but this is fun.
See, it's not going. We're going to have to figure out how to get the temperature up because for the...
Well, how is the burner all the way up?
No. I had it all the way down because I was worried.
Let's crank it another, like...
Really? It's gone up. Maybe.
Where are we
Okay.
at? Like, well, let's go to like 5 o'clock. We're at 4 o'clock. Let's go to 5 o'clock.
All right. Okay, let's leave it alone for a few minutes.
Just like that fire and this fire, we just gotta leave it alone, right?
Right, exactly.
Low and slow.
Can you grab her log?
Her log.
No, grab another one.
Oh, for Luna?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Don't touch my log. I don't know if I have a nice little one, but she can chew on this.
There's a name for this kind of lighter. I guess we need to look it up.
Give it to Denny. You want this?
Yeah, let me see this.
Yeah, give it to Denny. He'll figure it out.
The trick is it's got this silly little light on the end of it, but I don't know that I did anything to turn it on. If you thought it, maybe it would just go out on its own, but it hasn't.
How long
There's a
has
little
it been
red
on?
button on the side of it, but I can't
Hey.
figure out how to trace it.
That's your sister's. No,
There's some
ma'am.
fancy double click or something with the main mechanism that starts the torch. I don't know.
Dora, stop stealing toys.
What are we timing again now?
We're timing 20 minutes.